Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on Receive button. To scan the QR code though, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!